Hello friends, today we will discuss basics of economics for JTET students in short. So it includes microeconomics. In microeconomics, we first discuss scarcity. The scarcity is the fundamental problem of having unlimited wants and needs but limited resources. Second is opportunity cost, the value of the next best alternative given up when choosing to use resources in a particular way. Third is supply and demand. The price and quantity of a good or service is determined by the interaction of suppliers and demanders. Third is market equilibrium. The point at which the supply and demand curves intersect, resulting in no tendency for the price to change, is called market equilibrium. Fifth is consumer behavior. How individuals make decisions about what goods and services to consume. Then comes production and cost. How firms make decisions about how much to produce at what cost. Then we include macroeconomics, which have first gross domestic product, that is known as GDP. The total value of all final goods and services produced within a country's borders is known as GDP. Inflation, a sustained increase in the general price level of the goods and services, is known as inflation. Inflation is caused when the supply of the goods or services falls short of the demand, then prices start rising. It is called inflation. Unemployment, the number of people able and willing to work but unable to find employment, is called unemployment. Then comes fiscal policy, the use of government spending and taxation to influence the overall level of economic activity. So fiscal policy includes taxation and government spending both. So that is known as public expenditure and taxes. Monetary policy, the actions of central bank, that is RBI in India, to control the money supply and interest rates to promote economic growth and stability. Then comes economic growth, an increase in the production of goods and services in an economy over time. International trade, comparative advantage, the idea that countries should specialize in producing goods and services for which they have a lower opportunity cost. Then comes gains from trade, the benefits that countries receive from trading with each other. Now tariffs and quotas, the government policies that restrict international trade. Tariffs are imposed so that the international movements of goods and services can be checked, and quota is determined for limiting the import and export. Economic systems. First is market economy, an economy in which resources are allocated through the interaction of supply and demand. There is no role of the government. Command economy, an economy in which resources are allocated by a central authority. Examples are China and Soviet Rus. And market economy, example is USA. Mixed economy, example is India, an economy that combines elements of market and command economies, both work together. These basics provide a foundation for understanding how economies work and how economic agents make decisions.